My name is Mario from Tudo. I'm the operations manager here in Rudy Hero, Bay Area and Northeast.
And I'm Max Dukes, and I'm the channel leader of Rudy Hero from Bay Area Northeast.
Our company performs plumbing services for both residential and commercial clients. We do anything from regular servicing, maintenance of drains, minor plumbing, all the way up to full replacements and large repairs. Our company also offers a trenchless technology. What that allows us to do is be able to pull a sewer line or water line without ruining your lawn. One of the things that we pride ourselves on is our values. Our values are first. So we always focus on making sure that we serve our client. And as a result of that, I believe it's a win-win-win scenario for everybody, and that's how we like to operate. We're licensed, bonded, and insured. We are also Diamond certified. In addition to that, we do participate in various training groups, one of which is called Next Star. The benefit of that to our clients is that particular training group focuses on service to the client, and that is the primary focus of the training, is to get the correct solution as soon as possible and the most beneficial to the client. Operating under a win-win-win mentality. If everybody wins, then everybody's happy.
The reason why I believe that the consumer should choose our company instead, because the first thing when we come out is that, and we show is that we care. We're not coming as salesmen, we're coming as a company that's coming to help you and show the care that we're coming out to do great work for you. The second reason is why sometimes you have companies that come out, when you look at other companies and then you look at us, you gotta ask yourself, what do you want? Do I want a handyman work or do I want a professional work? And when you call us out, you're basically looking for professionalism, cleanliness, and straight to the point, direct, doing the job and getting it done in a timely manner.
At Rudy Hero Plumbing, we focus on values first.
And that's faith, integrity, respect, service, and teamwork.